Hello parents and welcome to week 7 at Toowoomba Grammar School. Across the school, as we upgrade our classrooms, we're also upgrading much of our technology throughout the entire campus. That's classrooms and also our meeting spaces, our public meeting spaces and our sports facilities. And I've got a little demonstration today to show you of how we can use these new technologies collaboratively in the classroom so that we can very quickly and easily demonstrate boys' work. And so for Archie, he can come up and he can talk about the work that he's done on his recent science assignment, which is really exciting and really easy to share with the boys in this format. Next week, for all of our Year 12s, they will head into the mock exam period. So that's week 8. And then for our boys in years 7 through to 11, in week 9 and 10, they will be on an assessment period. A really important time there. For all of the parents out there, academic assistance at this point in time is really important. Where can boys go to get academic assistance? Firstly, the best place they can start with is with their teachers. Secondly, there's tutorials that go on around the school throughout the week across a range of subject areas, and the different departments manage those and the boys are aware of when those tutorials are on. Another really good resource that a lot of our boys access is every lunchtime in the library we have our prefects tutoring program running, and boys can book in a session with the prefects tutoring through the Moodle page. For our boarders, they can access assistance in the boarding house with the various boarding staff that are on duty, and there's also a tutorial program that runs of an evening with academic staff in the boarding houses that the boys can access. A couple of key dates coming up. Friday the 4th of September will now be our House Carnival Day. Some other schools do have a student-free day on that day. However, we are taking the opportunity to run this fantastic community event. Speaking of community events where our boys get to come together and really connect with the members of their year level and in their houses, we'll also have our house track and field on Thursday, 17th of September, which is the last day of the term. Finally from me, a very quick update regarding everything that's happening in the COVID space at the moment. We are monitoring that closely. There is no major impacts here at the school. We'd just ask parents to continue to make sure that if their son is ill, they keep them home. If they're showing any symptoms, to please get them tested. Thank you and have a great week.